Assalamu alaikum and hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Adnan Ahmed. Today I am going to show you how we can create motion effect on a website. So what are the motion effects? Motion effects are the effects like if I scroll the page and you see these images are tilt to some direction when I am moving the mouse, or one other type of motion effect, maybe more 3D look to the photo. If I move my mouse on the picture or somewhere in this visible image, or if I scroll down and you see images are moving, one is coming from left, one is coming from the upside, one is coming from right, and one is coming from the bottom of the screen. And likewise, if you notice, the text on the left hand side is blur, and when I am moving down it is dark now. And likewise, if you notice that learn more button, it is also the changing its size. So these all are the motion effects which I am going to show you today. And to create this motion effect, all you need is Elementor Pro and theme. On my website I am using Astra theme. If you want to download the Astra theme, the link is also in the description. Now we are going to start building the motion effects in Elementor Pro and using the Astra theme. And if this is the first time you are visiting my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, so you will get the notification in the future whenever I am going to upload some new video. So let's jump to the computer screen to build the motion effect in Elementor Pro. Okay guys, here is my simple page. If you can see, nothing is happening if I am moving the mouse on these two pictures. So let's first apply that motion effect on the first picture on the left hand side. I'm just clicking on this picture. There are multiple ways. You can click this pencil icon, or you can use this navigator also to reach your required element. So after clicking this image, I'm going to advanced option, and you can see here this motion effects. I'm clicking on it. After that, what I am going to do, I am going to click on this mouse effect, and once I switch on this mouse effect, you can see mouse track and 3D tilt. I am using 3D tilt for this video for today, but you can also try with that mouse track also. If I click on it, you can see there is some effect is applying. You can change its direction, maybe opposite direction, and change the speed also. Let's say I am going to somewhat maximum, and you see what it is happening. It is tilting the maximum possible in this section. And likewise, if I click on the second one and then same option, motion effects, then the mouse effect and 3D tilt, and this time I am using direction direct and not making too much speed, maybe 6 we can use. Now you see it is tilting more. The left one is tilting more, but the right one is not too much. Okay, so this is one type of motion effect. You can apply this motion effect to section backgrounds also. If I go down, and let's say this section, there is nothing here at the moment. If you can see, it is empty. You can apply to this column background, or you can use that spacer element for this. Anything you can do to apply that motion effects. Let's say I am going to do, I am putting a spacer here and clicking this spacer, and then going to advance, and I am giving some background to it, any background image. Okay, from here let's say I'm using this one, and it is 500 by 540 pixel, and let's insert this. And now you see this is not the height we required. I'm again clicking this spacer icon, and then I'm going to content, and I'm trying to increase, I guess 540 was the height. I think that is good now. And again you are seeing this image is repeating. For this I am going to background again, and then the repeat option, and you can see, we can say no repeat, and making the size of the background to cover the whole width available for this spacer. Okay, I think it is good now. Now again I need to go motion effects, and then the mouse effect, and then we can apply this 3D tilt. Okay, let's say I'm making it somewhat 7. Okay, it is same like the above. Now I can give it some more 3D look. For this I need to do click on this edit column, and then again the motion effects, and then mouse effect, 3D tilt. This time I am going to make it opposite, and same, the 7 is the speed of this tilt. Now you can see it is more 3D look now. If I hide this panel, now it will show you how it will look in the browser. If you notice, the bottom image is more 3D look than the above one. Okay, that's good. Now we are going to next type of motion effect. For this section, what I am going to do, I want this top left image to come from the left side, and this right image to come from the top, and likewise this bottom left image, it should come from bottom to top, and this bottom right image we are going to move it from right to left. So how we can achieve? I'm clicking on this first image, and then advance, and here we are going to motion effects. Now we are going to use this scrolling effects here. Okay, for first one we want to move it horizontally, so I am clicking this horizontal scroll. As soon as I click it, there are some default values. Let's see what happened. You see, it is coming from the right side and going to left of the screen. Okay, how we can change? First thing, we need to change its direction to right. Now if I scroll down, you can see it is coming from the right hand side and going to it is coming from the left hand side and going to right hand side, and it is keep moving. So what we want to do, when we scroll down, it should come and then just stop here in its box, which is selected at the moment because I click on this element. You see this option which is viewport, and on the left it is called bottom, and on the right it is called top. So what happened when I just scroll down, the top of that image will hit that bottom of my screen, and it start moving to the right. So we can change it. Maybe 20% of that screen is available from the bottom, so it start moving. We can make it, if we change it, let's say we are making it 20%. Now you see, when the distance from the bottom is 20% it start moving, right? So you can adjust these values whatever you want, and now you can see it is keep moving until that top of the browser or viewport hit that bottom of the image, but we can't see. Now we can change it, and we can stop it in the center here. So for this, let's say I am coming, and when this image is completely visible, here it is just in the box, so I try to see where it should adjust here. You see, if I keep it to 50%, that is the image will be the quite center of that viewport, so it is adjusting. If I am going lower value, you see it is out of the box. Okay, now we try again. If I go from top to bottom, and as soon as it is 50% of the viewport, the image is in its place, and it just stopped there now. So that's good. We can change its speed. Maybe we wanted 6, and let's see. You see, very marginal. We can make it more faster. The maximum available is 10. So let's see what happened. You see, its speed is changed now. Maybe we can adjust it somewhere around 6 is fine. Okay, likewise we can do this for the right image, top right image. For this we need that vertical motion effect. Going to same option, then scrolling effect, and then the vertical, and you see what happened. It is coming from coming to bottom to up. We can make it down. No, that's it. It is moving, but we can change it. So if you scroll down, you see it is coming down, but we want to make it adjust in its place. For this, again, I am making it 50, the top one. So as soon as it hit the middle of the viewport, the image should stop there, almost the middle of the viewport, and that's it. What we can do more, we can change its speed also. Maybe this time we can say 7. It's fine. You see, as soon as I am going down, it is coming down. One is coming from the left, and they're just, that's good. Now we are going to do same thing for the bottom left image. For this, I am clicking on this pencil icon, and then advanced and motion effects. Again, scrolling effects. Yeah, it is vertical, that's fine, but we need to change its direction. It should come from bottom to you are seeing these parameters are already set here. This is because I just playing with it, so that's why these are there. If we change it, you can see it will not stop when the viewport is passed from 50% and it is going up. So for this we need to make it 50%. Okay, now we see what happened. It is coming also, it is coming up. The speed is 7, we can change also. And for the last one, we can do the same thing. Motion effects, scrolling effects, and this time horizontal. And we see what is happening. Oh, this is coming from the right hand. Okay, you see it is not stopping. Same trick. Can make it 50%. and we can change its speed also, maybe 7, 8, whatever you want to do. 7 is fine. Okay, now we can make that blur effect to that text. For this I'm clicking on this heading and then going to motion effects, and here we can see that scrolling effect. You will see blur option here, what is default one. You see, if we are coming, it is 20%, and when the viewport is 80%, it is just highlighted. We can make it maybe that not 50% is fine, or maybe 40% for text, and it should start from fading quickly. Okay, now when the viewport is 9% from the bottom, it start changing, and you can see it is almost the blur is gone when we are 40%. And the last thing for this button, you see in the previous when I show you it was scaling up, it is left line. What I am going to do, clicking on this button and making it center of the element, and then we are going to advanced motion effects, same scrolling effects, and here we can doing that scale. Now if you go down, you see it is growing up or scaling up. We can make its speed, and you see when it is 80%, it is quite big now, but we want to do when it is 50% and start as soon as the viewport is touching the top of that button. So we can see, okay, all done. We can update it, and now we can preview on the web page. Okay, you see the effects, same here, and then the images, 4 images we done already. All coming, text fading in, button is growing up, so all good for now. Okay guys, hope you like this video. You can create some good motion effects to the elements and give some life to your web pages. Do you have any questions? Please write me in the comment. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up and share with others. Till next video, Adnan here, signing off. Bye.